Well, thanks, Dale. It's been an excellent day, and I'd say people who have been participating can look forward to us having some workshop proceedings published. As I mentioned at the start of the day, we've had a rapporteur with us, Dawn Steele, who I've worked with before, and she's wonderful. We'll be putting videos subject to the speakers confirming they're good with it. We'll be putting the videos up on the PSF YouTube channel, and we'll make those links available to everyone that's joined today. And I want to make sure I mention that we know there's been a lot of questions that have come in on the Slido, and not all of them have had a chance to make it onto our list and to be discussed today. But I think we'll be collating those, capturing them as part of the workshop effort. And certainly I've indicated to Dale that from the PSF side, we'd be happy to work with DFO to think about how we can follow on from this great workshop today. So thanks, and back to you, Dale.
Okay, I really want to once again take this time to acknowledge our speakers sharing their time and their experiences with us today. It's really invaluable. It's been my pleasure, really, and on behalf of Fisheries and Oceans Canada, really want to sincerely thank you for that time. I also want to take a moment to just acknowledge Colin McGregor, who you met earlier today, but also another fellow named Braden Foster, who really were the people that put together the content for this webinar and reaching out to these experts today. So thank you both for that. As well, I'd like to thank Oh Boy Productions for a really well-run workshop, putting together just the technical aspects as well. It's new to me, and it was a fantastically run workshop, so thank you for that. And of course, the Pacific Salmon Foundation, Jason, for your continued support and focus on improving conditions for salmon.
Great. Well, thanks, Dale. I'd say, on behalf of PSF, we'd also like to thank all the speakers for their time today. I think both DFO and PSF believe that this kind of information exchange forum, it's an excellent platform to share and improve our collective efforts and advance restoration efforts within BC and really within Canada. We'd like to thank all of the people attending for joining us today and for your participation. And we look forward to seeing you in the future at our next installment.
And with that, next time, goodbye, everyone. Thank you.
All right. Thanks. Bye-bye.